Hi children, happy morning to you all. What did we learn in the previous class? We learned about the water cycle. The water keeps moving from seas, rivers and lakes to the sky and coming back to the same place. This is known as water cycle. Because of the evaporation, condensation and the precipitation, this water cycle is happening. That's what we learned in the previous class, isn't it? Today's topic is hail and snow. So what is hailstone? When the strong winds push falling raindrops up into the cold air. The drops freezes to form ice. The pieces of ice fall to the ground as hailstones. That is, the rain is in the form of ice stones. Okay, instead of the water rain, we get the ice rain. That is called as hailstone. Okay. The next one is the snowflakes. So what are snowflakes? When it is very cold in the clouds, the water vapor which is rising up freezes suddenly. It does not change into water droplets. It forms snowflakes. So these flakes fall from the clouds as snow. So these snowflakes are very soft and they are looking so beautiful. Here is a video of hailstone and snowflakes.
Here comes the hail, guys. Well, okay.
The snowflakes are so beautiful, isn't it? Now we are moving to the book exercise of this lesson. So the exercise is in the page 57. Okay. Exercise A. Give 3 examples of each in the table given below, solids and liquids. For solid, the example are ice, brick and wood, and for liquids, the examples are water, oil and milk. Exercise B. Write heating or cooling on the arrows. 1 is cooling, 2 is heating, 3 is heating and 4 is cooling. Exercise C. Mark tick for true and wrong for false statement. 1. All liquids can flow but a solid cannot. It's true. 2. The changing of water to steam is called evaporation. It's true. 3. The air high up in the sky is hot. It's false. 4. Clouds contain tiny drops of water. It's true. 5th one. When water vapor changes to ice in the clouds, snowflakes are formed. It's true. Exercise D. How are hailstones formed? Answer. The strong wind pushes the falling raindrops of clouds up into the cold air and freezes the drops into ice. These ice stones are called as hailstones.
Yes, dears,